Okay mga kabalawis, magandang hapon. Atin pong nakasama ang mga candidate ng Miss ROTC dito po sa Indang ROTC unit. Ito po sila mga idol. Yan. Anong pangalan mo?
Hello po. So my name is Atay Luis Ian Cabo from the College of Arts and Sciences, studying BS Psychology po from the company of CMO.
Yun. Ikaw, anong madam? Cadet?
Hello po, good afternoon. I'm Yasha Christine Alvarez from College of Criminal Justice, major in Industrial Security Management.
So, Cadet, bakit ka nag-ROTC?
So nag-ROTC po ako because I believe this will give me the equipment or skills that I will be needing outside of the real world. Kung saan I want to serve a purpose po in helping others. I don't want to just watch them and comfort them. As I am studying BS Psychology, I also want to provide an action of help po for others, giving them the sense of security and comfort.
Nice. So, tignan natin yung dalawa na candidate pa dito. Ang pambato ng Tagaytay.
Hello po, good afternoon. I am Kayla Isabel C. Mendoza. I'm 18 from the College of Arts and Sciences, major in Psychology po.
Kung ikaw mapili ng ROTC unit na mag-present bilang Miss ROTC, anong may ambag mo sa school?
Well, as for me, the only contribution that I can contribute to the ROTC unit is my passion in serving others. As our tagline in psychology says, the love for helping others.
How about to ROTC? Bakit ka nag-ROTC?
For ROTC, I chose ROTC because it is an opportunity for me to immerse myself in the situation of others. Of course, we are in the front line of the community. That's why in times of need, we will be the ones to be there hand in hand with all the security personnel that helps them.
Wow, thank you. So next, ang pambato ng Naik. Yan po si Cadet. Pakilala ka muna.
Hello everyone, my name is Captain Charisado from College of Arts and Sciences, major in Psychology po.
Major in Psychology.
Yes.
Bakit ka nag-ROTC, Miss Naik?
I chose ROTC po. And field ko po sa ROTC ay DRRO. And nag-DRRO po ako kasi I think it's important po to know kung paano yung mga basic life support po in case na may calamity. Yun po.
Okay. Then, how about you, Miss? Okay, si Cadet Alvarez naman po ng Tansa Cavite. Yes, bakit mo pinili ang ROTC?
First of all, pinili ko po yung ROTC po under po ng CMO na CVAC po because I know po na marami po akong hilig sa pagtatanim po and mahilig po ako sa adventure and as far as I know po sa CMO po, mahilig rin po silang sa community service po and isa po siya sa passion ko yung makakita ng ngiti ng mga bata po ng mga bata sa community kapag nag-community service po.
So, muli mga idol, narinig nyo naman yung mga sinabi ng ating mga Miss ROTC na candidate dito sa Indang ROTC unit. So, yun lang po at magandang hapon po sa lahat.